ready to get going here. We've got a panel on blockchain, and in true supply chain fashion, we put our slides together in a just-in-time supply chain kind of way. There were some version control problems. That was my fault. But I've been told that if we had done this using blockchain, there would have been no issues about what was real and what was not real. What we're going to do is we're going to start with Jeff Denton of Amerisource Bergen. I guess the first thing I would say about blockchain in the supply chain context is there's proof of concepts out there, there's pilots out there, but no one is using this in their business on a day-to-day basis to run the business. So, but Jeff has been involved. Would you call them proof of concepts or pilots? Jeff has been involved in proof of concepts. He's a user, so you're going to get the user's perspective on this. And then our panelists include Dave Noller of IBM, Stephen Kim of SAP, Anant Kadiala of Oracle, all of them blockchain experts, all of them looking for customers and for ways to shape their technology stack to support supply chain applications. So with that, I think I'm going to have you come up, Jeff, and get going.